What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a GMC Acadia. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2017 GMC Acadia in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So our cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Then on the left-hand side, we're going to see this dampening arm right here. What I'm going to do is just get a finger around it like that and pull it off. After we get that dampening arm disconnected, I'm going to push in on both sides of the glove box towards the center. And it's going to allow these stops to clear. So I'll come over here, push in, and you can see that stop right there. And this is easier if you do these both. If you have both your hands free and do these both at the same time, it'll be a little easier. But I'll come over here and same thing. So once you get those stops to clear, the glove box will come down and then it'll just come off the hinges and we'll just set it down. Then taking a look in the space behind here, this right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And on the right hand side, there's this little latch that'll kind of pull in and then the door will come off of there. Once we get the door off of there, we see our actual filter right here. So when you get your new filter, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow arrows. You want your airflow going down towards the floor. So slide your new filter in, and then we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab this access door, and if you notice on the left-hand side, there's kind of these two loops are going to fit on that hook right there. So I'll just get that hooked on the left-hand side. And then that'll snap on like that. Now we'll put our glove box back on. So grab it and we're just going to line those hinges up on the bottom. Line the hinges up and then just push it up, and then once those stops go past, it'll hold itself up. And then the last thing we need to do is reconnect this dampening arm. So just get that on there like that, and then it'll push on. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.